Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn 8th standard mathematics chapter 4 cubes and cube roots. Topic perfect cubes and make a perfect cubes. Today we are going to discuss first one, how to find a perfect cube. Second one, how to make a perfect cube. And third one, example and exercise 4.1 sums. Now let's see example sum. In the following, identify the numbers which are perfect cube. 3375. Dear children, how to identify perfect cube for given number? Do you know? Yes, we find the prime factors of the given number. Then we make a group of 3 equal factors. Listen, if the prime factors of a number are grouped in triples of equal factors, then that number is called a perfect cube. In order to check whether a number is a perfect cube or not, we find its prime factors and group together triplets of the prime factors. If no factor is left out, then the number is a perfect cube. Otherwise, is not a perfect cube. Okay. Now, we write 3375 like this. Now, dividing with the smallest prime number. See the number 3375 is an odd number. So, we cannot take smallest first prime number 2. Okay. Next prime number 3. Now, we can take 3. Is it possible? Now, we check it. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Here 7, 2 3s are 6, balance 1, next digit 5, 15, 5 3s are 15. Again we take 3, 3 3s are 9, balance 2, 22, 7 3s are 21, balance 1, next digit 5, we take 15, 5 3s are 15. Again we take 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, balance 1, next digit 5, so we consider 15, 5 3s are 15. See the number 125 is not divisible by 3. So next prime number 5. We can take 5. 2 5s are 10. Balance 2. Next digit 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. We know the factors of 25 is 5 into 5. So 5 into 5. Now we can take a 5. 1 5 is 5. Now we have to write the factors of 3375 is equal 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. See the factors. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal factors. 5 into 5 into 5 also equal factors. So put line equal factor. Here 3 and 5 appear in groups of 3. No factor is left out. So 3375 is a perfect cube. Let us learn to next example sum. What is the least natural number by which 2160 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? 2160 is not a perfect cube. Okay. How to make a perfect cube? Listen. First, we find the prime factors of a given number. Then we make group of 3 equal factors. Now we have to write 2160 like this. 2160 is an even number. So we can take a first prime number 2. 1 2 is 2. Next digit 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So put 0. Next digit is 6. We take 16. 8 2s are 16. Next digit is 0. 0 is not divisible by 2. So put 0. Again we can take 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. 0. Next we take 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 14. 7 2s are 14. 0. Next we take 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. Next digit is 0. 10. 5 2s are 10. 135 is odd number. So we cannot take 2. Next prime number 3. We can take 3. 4 3s are 12, balance 1. Next digit 5. We consider 15. 5 3s are 15. Again we take 3. 1 3 is 3. Balance 1 15. 5 3s are 15. Again we take 3. 5 3s are 15. Now we take a 5. 5 1 is 5. Now we have to write the factors of 2160 is equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. See the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 is equal factors. Both are appear in group of 3. Other factors 2 and 5 do not appear in groups of 3. For making a perfect cube, we are required to multiply the given number by 2 into 5 is 10. Therefore, we divide 2160 by 10. 10 means 2 into 5 and the quotient becomes a perfect cube. 2160 is divided by 10 is equal 216. 216 is a perfect cube. Hence, the required least number is 10. Now, let us move to exercise sum. In the following, identify the numbers which are perfect cubes. 975. Dear children, similarly we can follow same procedure. Okay. Now write 975. Now dividing with 5. 1 5 is 5. Balance 4. Next digit is 7, 47. 9 5s are 45. Balance 2. Next digit 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. Again we take 5. 3 5s are 15. Balance 4. Next digit 5. 9 5s are 45. 39 is not divisible by 5. So we can take 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 is a prime number. So 13 ones are 13. Now we have to write the factors of 975 is equal 5 into 5 into 3 into 30. See the factors. Here we cannot make groups of 3 identical prime factors. 5, 3 and 13 do not appear in groups of 3. Therefore, 975 is not a perfect cube. Next question, 2744. Dear children, first we should find the prime factors of 2744. Write 2744. See the number. 2744 is an even number. So, we can take a 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. Next digit 4. We take a 14. 7 2s are 14. Next digit 4. 2 2s are 4. Again we take 2. 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. Next digit is 7. We take a 17. 8 2s are 16. Balance 1. Next digit 2. We take a 12. 6 2s are 12. Again we take a 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. See the number. 343 is not divisible by 2. So we can take 7. 4 7s are 28. Balance 6. Next digit 3. 63. 9 7s are 63. We know 7 7s are 49. Again we take a 7. 1 7 is 7. Now we have to write the factors of 2744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. See the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 7 into 7 are equal factors. So put line like this. Here 2 and 7 appear in groups of 3. Therefore, 2744 is a perfect cube. Next question. By what smallest natural number should 36,000 be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect cube. First, we should find the prime factors. 36,000. 36,000 is an even number. So we can take a 2. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. Next digit is 6. 16. 8 2s are 16. Next digit is 0. 0 is not divisible by 2. Put 0. Again 0 is not divisible by 2. Again 0 is not divisible by 2. So put 0. Again we take a 2. 9 2s are 18. 0 is not divisible by 2. So put 0. 0 is not divisible by 2. Put 0. Next 0 is not divisible by 2. Put 0. Again we take a 2. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. Next digit is 0. We take a 10. 5 2s are 10. Next 0. 0. Again we take a 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. Next digit is 0. We take a 10. 5 2s are 10. 0. Again we take a 2. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 10. 5 2s are 10. Now we take a 5. 2 5s are 10. Balance 1. Next digit 2. 12. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Here 225. We can take a 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Again we take a 5. 9 5s are 45. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 is 3. Now we can be written as the factors of 36,000 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Here 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5 are equal factors. So put line like this. Here 2 and 3 do not appear in groups of 3. For making a perfect cube, we are required to multiply the given number by 6. 6 means 2 into 3. If we multiply 36,000 by 6, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is a perfect cube. Hence, the required least natural number is 6. Next question. By what least natural number should 27,648 be divided so that the quotient becomes a perfect cube? First, we should find the prime factors. 27,648. Now we can take 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 16. 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again we can take a 2. 6 2s are 12. Balance 1. Next digit 8. 18. 9 2s are 18. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Again we take a 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. Next digit 1. We take 11. 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. Next digit 2. 12. 6 2s are 12. Again we take 2. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. Next digit 4. We take 14. 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. Next digit 6. We take 16. 8 2s are 16. Again we take 2. 8 2s are 16. Balance 1. Next digit 2. We take 12. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again we take 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again we take 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. 12. 6 2s are 12. Now we have to write 2. 1 2 is 2. Next digit 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So put 0. Next digit 6. We take 16. 8 2s are 16. Again we take 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8. We write 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 27 is not divisible by 2. So next prime number 3. We take 3. 9 3s are 27. Again we take 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we take 3. 1 3 is 3. Now we have to write the factors of 27,648 is equal 2 into 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 3 into 3 into 3. See the factors. Put line equal factors. 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2. Again 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is an incomplete group. Here 2 does not appear in group of 3. If we divide 27,648 by 2, we will get 2 into 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 3 into 3 into 3, which is a perfect cube. So the required least natural number is 2. Question time. The smallest natural number by which 72 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube is option A 7, option B 3, option C 9, option D 5. Which answer is correct? Yes, the option B 3 is correct. 72 is multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube. Next question. The smallest natural number by which 32 must be divided to get a perfect cube is option A 16, option B 2, option C 4, option D 8. Which option is correct? Yes, the answer C. The number 4 is divided by 32 to get a perfect cube. Next question. Which of the following numbers is a perfect cube? Option C 141, option B 294, option C 216, option D 496. Which option is correct? We know 216 is a perfect cube. So the answer option C 216. Next question. Which of the following numbers is not a perfect cube? Option A 64, option B 512, option C 125, option D 256. See the answers. 64, 512, 125 are perfect cube numbers. So option D is not perfect cube. So answer option D 256. Thank you children.